Good morning, boys and girls. Hope everyone is doing fantastic this morning. I am going to go over one of the equations on your worksheet today so that we can pretty much look at this video as a quick recap. But before I get started, just a quick instructions I want to explain to you. For your worksheet today, it's math and art combined. What you're going to have to do is solve all of the equations first, and then on the next sheet is a ski activity art set where you're going to have to put the puzzle pieces together to show the final art piece at the end. So you're going to need another sheet of paper after you cut out each of the cubes of the different pieces of the ski art piece. Now, in each of the cubes have numbers already. Now, with those, they're not in order. So as you solve each equation, you're going to find a quotient, okay? Whatever is number 1 will be the first piece you will glue. Then number 2 will be the answer where you will stick the next piece. So I hope that helps. So let's do number 1. So my equation is 8 divided by 648. So the first thing I do is, this is my divisor, this is my dividend. I'm going to write my 8 times table. 8 times 0 is 0. You must start off with 8 times 0. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 9. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 10, 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 11, 88. And 8 times 12, 96. Okay, so we got all our times table. First one. How many groups of 8 equals 6? Or how many groups of 8 can I get from 6? When we look at our 8 times table, there's nothing times 8 gives you 6. So which one of these answers is closest to 6? We're going to have to use 0. We can't use 8 because 6 cannot take away 8. So the closest number to 6 is 0. So we circle that. Then I put my 0 on top, and then my 0, my answer in the equation, and I subtract. 6 take away 0 is 6. Then I bring down the 4. Now I have how many groups of 8 equals 64? I look at my 8 times table. What times 8 equals 64? Bingo! Got it. So I will circle that. 8 times 8 equals 64. So we already have our 8 here. Our 8 is here in the equation. So the next number we're going to put on top is 8, because that's why I have a little multiplication sign there. 8 times this 8 equals 64. So I'm going to put my 64 underneath here. 64, take away 64 is 0. I need to put 1 0 there, or I could put 2 zeros. Then I'm going to bring down Mr. 8. Now is how many groups of 8 equals 8? Look at the 8 times table. Which one would be the answer? How many groups of 8 equals 8? How many groups of 8 can we get out of 8? Whichever one you want to say it to make you feel more comfortable. How many groups of 8 equals 8? Or how many groups of 8 can you get out of 8? Well, you can get one group. Okay, you can get one group out of 8. So I put my 1 on top, and then I put my 8 to the bottom, and I subtract. 8 take away 8 is 0. So my first quotient is 81. Okay, so that's going to be the first piece to the puzzle that you will stick on another sheet of paper to complete your puzzle to find out what the picture really is. So I hope that this helps and you enjoy your math activity for today. Goodbye.